Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to take a moment and remind everyone to go into their Amazon wish list and make sure that their address is attached to your wish list. This was a problem that a lot of people ran into last year as they were trying to adopt teachers. They would go in, they would add items from their list, and then once they would get to the checkout screen, there was no address to send um, the items to. So what people would do at that point is go on to the next list. People were being skipped in the adoption process before that for that. So what I want to do right now is show you how to double check to make sure your address is attached to your Amazon wish list. So the first thing you need to do is go into Amazon and log in. Hover over accounts and list, and you will see your list pop up. So click on the list that you want or that is attached to your classroom, and then your list will come up. In the right hand corner of your list, you'll see where it says more with three dots. Hover on more and click manage list. When you click manage list, this box will pop up. This is where you find the title of your name or the title of your wish list. You're going to want to make sure that your privacy setting is public so that everyone can view your wish list. You are going to scroll on down, and at the bottom it says shipping address. You want to make sure that your shipping address is attached. Don't worry about privacy issues with this. When the person goes in to adopt your classroom, to add items from your classroom, it's only going to put your name up there. It will not put your address. If your address is not here, you need to click the down arrow, and then you can click create new. When you click create new, you will put in your information that you have here and then ship to this address. You also want to make sure that the third-party shipping agreement is correct. There are some items through Amazon that is direct shipped through a third party, and if you don't have that clicked, then they will not ship to you. And then you click save changes. If you have any questions on how to do this, please reach out to one of your admin. We will be happy to help you. There, I believe, are 5 or 6 admin on this page that would be, willing to help you at any point in time. I hope you each have a great weekend. Hopefully it won't rain for us. But again, if you have any questions, just give us a shout through Messenger.